Today we are going to provide a video of class 7 science chapter 15 forests. Okay, the green lungs of nature that purify the atmosphere. Forests are our lifeline. It is through them that nature shines. Okay, try to understand this line. Here you should try to understand this thing, that forest is playing an active role for human being. If there is forest, there is life of human. Okay, try to understand. Here, what is forest? Try to understand. A forest is an area with a high density of trees. In this figure, you are seeing figure of forest. The largest area of rainforest is in South America. The largest area of rainforest is in South America. It is called the Amazon rainforest. Try to read this thing. Components of a forest. Here, components of a forest. You know about biotic and abiotic. Just revise this thing. This is given in chapter 1st. Life in a forest, food chain and food webs. Try to understand food chain and food web. If anyone has studied in class 5 in DAV, I have taught at that place food chain and food webs. Food chain, simply who eats whom. Simple definition if you want to give about food chain, who eats whom. This is known as food chain. And food webs, number of food chains. Not a single, more than one food chain is known as food webs. Okay, here food web in a forest. Here you are seeing, you can observe food web. These are food webs. Okay, mangrove are short, dense trees that tolerate and adapt themselves well to both saline and fresh water and grow in coastal areas. Aerial root, special roots, all this such type of roots. The layers of the forest floor layer. In this figure, here you are observing forest floor, under a story, the canopy, the emergent layer. Here, crown of trees you are seeing. Here mainly you will observe that shape of this tree is conical, to shape from a snow. Conical shape due to shape from a snow. Importance of forests, you know this thing. Forests are the habitat for the living organism. Practices such as agriculture and animal husbandry are dependent on forests. Forests maintain and improve the moisture content of the atmosphere. Lungs of the earth, similar to human being. Forest is also known as lungs of the earth. Forest produce humus and maintain soil fertility. Okay. Here deforestation, you know definition of deforestation, cutting down of trees. Consequence of deforestation. Carbon cycle. You know carbon cycle. Cycle means, you know, if you will move a wheel, it will come, this wheel come after one interval, that will come at the same position. This is cycle. The water cycle, you know this thing, water cycle. Soil erosion, with the loss of a protective cover of vegetation, more soil gets lost. Silting of water courses, lakes and dams. This occurs as a result of soil erosion. Extinction of species. Desertification. The causes of desertification are complex, but deforestation is one of the contributing factors. Conservation of wildlife. Here something given. Some common trees in India. Here banyan, teak, neem, eucalyptus, devdar, all these. Sal, amaltas, asoka. These are the common trees in India. Now question answer time. Here I have written question answer of this chapter. You know today is second day of Durga Puja. We should worship Durga Mata. Okay. Here Here food web. Two terms are asked for definition: food chain and food web. Food chain is the interdependence of plants and animals on each other for food. Food web, interconnection of different food chains in nature. I have written, try to write. Name the different layers of forest. I have discussed this thing. Give the meaning of the term soil erosion. Soil erosion is the displacement of the upper layer of soil. Name 4 useful products that are provided to us by the forest. Very simple question. Name any 4 trees that are common to the Indian subcontinent. You may write from here. Here answer of this question. State the values that you think Sonu needs to imbibe. Sonu was a rather self-centered boy and never cared to help others. His sister Sweta, on the other hand, always showed sympathy towards the needs of the others and would go out of the way to help and guide others. Their mother advised Sonu to follow the example of his sister. She told him that all of us are interdependent, depending on each other, on one another, in much the same way as the many biotic and abiotic components of forest are interdependent on one another. Okay, state the value that you think Sonu needs to be imbibe. Sympathy, SYMPATHY. And yet you may write another thing also. Name any 2 components of a forest and discuss their interdependence on each other. Name any 2 components of a forest and discuss their interdependence on each other. Suppose living being. Living being, it depends on forest for food like fruit and vegetables. Okay. Now next thing, animal. Animal is dependent for grass. Okay, try to write. I hope you may write answer of these questions. Now question answer time. Here I have written chapter 15 Forest Science class 7. Try to pause the video and try to write here from there. Here chapter 15 Forest Science class 7. Here try to pause and try to write all question answers. Okay, you may write. I hope you are able to write. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.